me grab some gear and then I'll try multitasking.
You've got some time because I'm going to find the guy. I got to travel over to the place. Alright, I think I need to Google this guy. I can't find him.
Okay, Bam, is this graphic, is this verified? This is how it'll work out?
Well, I mean, this was and is like what the plan was and is. And so I'm trying to, I want to, I think I can facilitate making sure that blocks up, that fills up.
Okay.
So,
it says it's 2 rooms short then.
Right. Okay. And then I also don't know the conditions of, like, I'm DMing people personally so that you're not having to do all that, right? So your forest is in progress. We know there's a special case being made for losing Scotch, no big deal. I messaged Dash, and he said he's going to kick it around with the old man on whether they're going to get their own room or share one, and I'm pretty sure it's going to work out just the way I have it depicted, where they each have their own room. Okay. We've agreed to have an extra room that people and randos in on that too. So I'll get you. I'm going to throw you an extra 900 pretty soon, and I'll green out the music room once I've done that. And then I also have a plan. This is a lot. I hope this makes sense. The Bam and Rando room, I'm actually thinking I'm going to just pay another 900 to have my own room. If that makes sense. So I think I've got you all taken care of. It's just that last room, the top middle, that I offered Orbix. And then what do you guys think about Billy?
I'm not opposed. Should be all right.
Not opposed. It's good.
Not recalling Billy specifically.
He's our bench guy for our kind of has it Western draw.
Right. I recognize the name, but I'm not like if you said Cal, I'd be like, oh yeah, Cal. Like you said.
Right.
But I don't remember specifically Billy.
Yeah. Okay. So so that's an option. Yeah. So, but he's an option, and then like Orbix is the other. Otherwise, it's. There's the angle of that the deal might be so good. I can pitch this to Benke and say this deal might be so good that if him and his wife are coming with kid, maybe they'd want to get two, right? Because it's still that still would be cheaper than the hotel would be. Okay, so that's just a top of my head idea, right? We're gonna get you taken care of. We're not as far off as I was worried we were going to be, as long as these things. So that's anyway. So the picture that I sent you is, and I'll keep updating you. Is that way you speak the lingo. You know that in the best of my. Let's use it as tracking, so that it means that this is the status to the best of my knowledge. And then if I ever send you something that's incorrect, you can just tell me that, and I'll update it. Okay. But let me let you game, dude.
Okay.
Let you game.
I remember, here it is. I remember there being a sign up.
Yeah, and this is it.
Graphic, yeah.
Yeah, I got from that to this, but the thing that's on this is the visual representation that it's 10 spaces and whether or not they've been paid for. That's what I'm trying to track with this sheet. Green is paid for, right? So if you tell me when somebody's paid or something, then I'll change it to green. Because when they're all green, or even maybe a teensy bit before at your discretion, yeah, once they're close enough to green for your comfort, we should book, is what I'm getting at. Okay.
I am putting out a summons.
Oh, okay.
All right. I'll see you guys.
Oh, no, he was leaving. Oh wait, I gotta have the right companion out. Phalanx.
Ready when you are.
Wait, Scarge, where are you? You're over. Wait, what?
I'm here. I'm in stealth.
But shouldn't I be able to see you if we're...
No, because I was in stealth before you got onto the planet, so I'm super invisible.
Oh, okay. I'm stealth now. Oh, there you are.
Let's get him.
My phalanx is level 50. Huh. I don't remember doing that.
Nice.
Into the fray, Master.
Go. For the other guy, we're going to travel back to... Blastfield Shipyards. Back to the quick travel called Blastfield Shipyards.
Okay.
I could not perform better myself.
See if I can remember where this guy is. He's like pretty close.
Well, every time I've done one of these, I've had a guide open on the second screen. I don't remember where any of these guys are.
Yeah, usually me too, but this guy's pretty easy. He's like right up here. Ooh, and someone's going to him right now.
Compensating for damage.
That's the dude from the group I raid with on Thursday, Friday.
Ah. Hello, friend. That'd be super embarrassing to falter one of those rolls. Oh my gosh, I was feeling energetic, and then towards the end of raid, it was like my energy fell through the floor.
All those deaths.
Take something out of you. So Scott, I don't know if you caught it, because I remember you saying earlier, or like at something earlier about having like a, so how much money for the room or whatever, but instead of doing it like per person, we're gonna go like per room.
Okay.
Cool. So it'll be 900 per room, and
Okay.
we're assuming you and Luz want to be roommates.
Keep fighting.
Yeah. 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 Good plan. Good plan. Yeah. So I can pay you when we get down there, or if you want to do the wire, I could get you the info I'll need from your bank, and then I can wire you like all the money for the tickets and everything. But it's basically up to you how you want to do it.
So Canadian banks, they don't have like a Zelle or something type system. It has to be wire. Huh?
Yeah. No.
Huh.
Zelle, I think Zelle is like a company thing, isn't it? Like, isn't it like something that, like, it's like a company that they're just working with the U.S. banks, no?
Maybe, yeah. Because I know, I don't know. I just became aware of it when somebody pointed it out that it was like, you know, Bank of America, Chase, like Wells